show up. I thought I would come by taxi, but I don't know if I will be able to drink any beer due to my health condition. But then it makes no sense to pay for a taxi, so it's better to come by my own car. As you can see, I still have dots, so I can't sign up yet. I would have to edit my request and I can't do it myself, so I would have to post a comment asking for a change. Jennifer would get angry, you know what she's like. Don't even ask. People drive me crazy. They sign up, fill out the application, and after 5 minutes, Jennifer, but I'm going by taxi, will you change my request? Jennifer, and I prefer dark beer, will you make a change? Jennifer, oh, I hate them. I have so many tasks related to the organization of this event, and I take care of editing the request. And can you see it? Can you see it? Another one. Jennifer, but I'm driving a car. So what? Non-alcoholic beer. Oh, I hate my work. You have probably heard similar stories in your companies more than once. We don't like asking for help, for changes in the form. We feel that we are causing some troubles. But there is a solution. Feature bundle for Jira Service Management. This app allows your customers to edit their requests themselves without asking service agents. So let's see how it works. Here is our Oktoberfest form. As you can see, we have two simple fields. How do we plan to come back from the party? So I'm clicking taxi. And what beer we prefer? I select Alaskan Smoked Porter. The beer is an inside field available in premium plans. Of course, it could also be a simple select field. I choose two options and click send. As you remember, Sophie didn't know if she was going to go by car after all. Fortunately, this banner says that we can change our minds by October 25th. And this is possible thanks to this link, edit request. I change my mind now, so I can edit these two fields that you saw earlier on the form. So I'm changing that I would like to drink non-alcoholic beer, and I select my own car and clicking save. And as you can see, we have got new answers on this form. Both the edit option and these banners are available through the Feature Bundle app. Let's check how the configuration looks like. In project settings, we chose Edit Requests, Oktoberfest, because this is our request type. And as you can see, I have fields that the reporter can edit. Thanks to additional settings and thanks to JQL, which is here, I have specified that this option will only be available if the request met this condition. This is it. Very simple and causes a huge increase in customer experience. The second functionality you have seen is announcement banners. They are configured in a global configuration. Let's choose the one that tells us until when we can make changes. So I'm clicking Edit. I select Request Details View, Oktoberfest, which is my request type. Click Next. Here I can define when the banner should be visible. I choose from the day of the start of registration to the due date. We can also limit the visibility of the banner to people who meet the conditions. In this case, I want the banner to be visible to everyone. The most enjoyable part is designing the look. As you can see, I chose HTML here, but there is also a plain text editor, Classic, available. And here we have got a page with a summary of our settings, and this is it. As you can see, setting up the feature bundle is very simple and fun. Wow, it's so great! Edit your request without asking others. I sign up for the Oktoberfest. Of course, I changed my mind because I have to go by car, so I can only drink non-alcoholic beer. And thanks to the feature bundle app, I didn't have to bother anyone. I changed my mind, so I go to the request, click edit, change the value, and this is it. This is so cool! So, see you at the party! I don't know what to say. I'm charmed by this feature bundle app. We finished our Oktoberfest registration today because I have to order everything. The party is already in 3 days. And no one flooded me with comments about any changes. And I look at the history of the request and there were changes. But they took place without my engagement. And I could focus on a more serious task related to the organization of this event. So this Oktoberfest is going to be the best party ever. I love these reactions, really. If you want not only Oktoberfest registration to be successful, but every case handled by Jira Service Management, try our app, Feature Bundle for Jira Service Management, available for cloud, but also for data center. So let's go to celebrate Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest. Cheers!